Oh wow. Probably will be working. No, well, definitely. I've been itching to go to the beach. So baka mag-Boracay kami for the longest time. The last time I was there for like years. So beach. Yeah.
I don't think I'm going to have a vacation this summer. Hindi ko pa alam eh. Basta siguro makapagpahinga lang. Makapag-out of town lang.
Siyempre, workshop, hindi pa rin nakakawala. Tapos, yun lang.
Ngayon, plano naming mag-Boracay. Plans this summer, syempre gusto kong ituloy pa rin yung wakeboarding skills. Gusto ko pa rin mag-wakeboarding. So, sana mas makaka-ikot na ako or makalipaan na gano'n. Gagawin kong busy ang sarili ko. Mag-attend kami ng mga workshops, pati yung mga anak ko, maraming activities. Hindi puro sa bakasyon lang. Kasi sayang naman. So, puro activities for the family. Yun.